Preventing wood from warping is key to ensuring durability and quality in woodworking projects. Warping occurs when wood absorbs or loses moisture unevenly, leading to twisting, bowing, or cupping. Here are some effective methods to prevent warping. Choose stable, dry wood. Start with high-quality kiln-dried wood, as it's less likely to warp. Kiln drying removes excess moisture, making the wood more stable and less susceptible to changes in humidity. Seal and finish all sides. Apply a sealant or finish on all sides of the wood, including the ends, to create a moisture barrier. This step helps the wood maintain consistent moisture levels, reducing the risk of warping over time. Store wood properly. Keep wood in a cool, dry, and well-ventilated area. Store it horizontally with spacers, called stickers, between each piece to allow air circulation on all sides. Avoid storing wood on damp surfaces, as it can absorb moisture from the ground. Control humidity levels. Use a dehumidifier in your workspace if you live in a humid environment, as excess humidity can cause wood to absorb moisture and warp. In dry areas, a humidifier can prevent wood from drying out too much. Avoid direct sunlight. Direct sunlight can cause rapid moisture loss on one side of the wood, leading to warping. Keep your wood and projects out of direct sunlight as much as possible. Apply moisture balancing treatments. Using products like stabilizing solutions or moisture balancing agents can help maintain even moisture levels within the wood, reducing warping potential. By following these practices, you'll help ensure your wood projects stay flat and stable, resulting in higher quality and longer-lasting pieces.